Alright, so anybody who's been following me online for the past week or even months, I've been preaching about this lemon ginger garlic tea. So let me just show you how to do this. If you look at this, I have a whole bunch of ginger. I actually recently been adding turmeric to it, so you could also add that, super cool. But if you go ahead and get a close shot, make sure you're dicing your ginger up small. Like, don't be throwing in your whole ginger in there like a silly rabbit. Like, slice your stuff up so that the boiling water can get all this juicy juice. And one rule of thumb I have is you can never have too much ginger, man. Ginger is good. It adds a spice. So there's a ginger. The lemons I already chopped up and put them in here. The lemons I always cut them in fourths. So I cut them in half, and then I cut the half in half, and then I go ahead and squeeze the juice and put the whole peel, the whole thing in there. There's a lot of good qualities in the peel. We got 2 pots because usually I have a big ass pot at home, but Maru's got 2 little pots, and so we make a lot of it. We got like 2 gallons in here, and then we have the garlic part. Maru actually has a super hack for getting your garlic peeled without peeling it. Super cool. But I generally throw like literally this whole clove in there. But that's wild. You don't have to do that. You could do like 5 or 6 little cloves. I throw the whole thing because I'm fucking crazy, but it makes it spicy and gingery. So, for those of you that are asking, here's an actual video. What you do is you bring your water in a pot. Like I said, I usually make a whole gallon of it, or like the biggest pot yo mama's got. Take that one and put like a gallon or 2 of water in there. Put it to boil. Once it starts boiling, you can throw all your ingredients in. You can throw them in ahead of time as well. But once it's boiling, bring it to a simmer and then let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. And if you have a lid, it's great to put a lid on there so it really like gets all the juices out. And yeah, once it's done, it's best to drink warm, but you could totally throw it in a gallon water bottle and drink it all day, even if it's cold. It just tastes a lot better warm. And that'll help your whole digestive system. That'll help mucus. That'll help sinuses. It'll help just about anything. It's great if you fast. If you could fast for the day and just drink this like water, that's the way to get the best results. I do this once a week, twice a week sometimes. This is our second time this week, and I'll probably do it again in like 4 days. It's just good. And you could add a whole bunch of different stuff. I usually add a bunch of different herbs that I have from the jungle, like salsaparia. Sometimes I add blue valerian to help me like my muscles relax and everything. I'll throw wormwood in there. I'll throw black walnut husk for parasites. It really just depends on what I need and what my body needs. But overall, lemon ginger garlic. Recently just added turmeric to it, which super good. I'm like holding this like a weapon. Make it happen and enjoy. If you have any questions, let me know.